When you look into the darkness of the night sky, you are sneaking into the fathomless depths of the universe. Stars, planets, and galaxies stretch into the space not just further than you can see, but further than you can imagine. Universe. Universe is the whole of existence, all of space, matter, energy, and time. It is so vast as to be unimaginable. But we know the thing that it is steadily expanding from its beginning from 13.8 billion years ago in a great explosive event called the Big Bang. In this video, we are going to learn about the Big Bang theory. If you are new to my channel, please like the video and also make sure that you subscribe my channel. Let's begin. The story begins 14 billion years ago. The universe was materialized out of nothing but for some unknown reasons. Infinitely smaller than an atom to begin with, the universe suddenly expanded to a trillion kilometers across in under a second, an event called the Big Bang. The time came into the existence when the universe began. The Big Bang was not an explosion of matter through space, but it was the expansion of space itself. At first, universe consisted of pure energy, but within a fraction of a second, a part of energy turned into the matter and exploded. It took around 400,000 years for particles to cool down to form atoms and another 300 million years before the atoms convert into planets, stars, etc. So, what exactly happened? How did the universe form? At the beginning, there was nothing and nothing. There were no stars, planets, galaxies. In fact, there was no space, no universe present. But there was a uh, material which was consisting full of energy, and it was indefinitely dense, dark, and unimaginably hot. This begins the formation of universe. Then what happened again next with this energy, all the matter? Within a tiny of fraction of a second, the universe balloons in size. The matter explodes in such a way that the universe balloons in size from trillions of times. From smaller than a size of atom to the size of the city, the particles spread and the universe balloons or become very wide. The intense energy of the newborn universe creates matter, which is a soup of particles and antiparticles. These crash again, these antiparticles and particles crash again, make energy, and the matter which is left out here and there becomes atoms and later into galaxies, stars, etc. Universe now is about 1 microsecond old. In just 1 microsecond, it was expanded about 100 billion kilometer wide. So the leftover begins to form atoms and neutrons. The leftover all stuff starts becoming atoms and neutrons, but the universe was too hot to form atoms yet. There was no conditions for the formation of atom. Light cannot pass through the particles, and it was looking like a dense fog, and it was dark and dark everywhere. So how was atom formed then? After 379,000 years later, the universe finally cooled down, which was now condition was created for the formation of atoms. Now, due to the formation of atoms, light can also pass now, and the universe became the vast cloud of hydrogen and helium. Now, the universe gets become transparent. After half a million years ago, after half a million years after the Big Bang, the matter was evenly spread everywhere, and some ripples which were spread here and there were pulled by gravity. At 400 million years, clouds of gas get pulled into tight knots by gravity. The cloud around of gas was pulled by gravity. Later, under intense heat and pressure, the nuclear reaction take place and the stars were born. At 500 million years, enormous clouds of stars, particles, atoms, etc. were all held or pulled by the gravity which was formed the first galaxies. You can see in the video it is the Milky Way galaxy in which we reside. At 5 billion years, vast clusters of galaxies arranged with gigantic voids between them. Voids are nothing but the space between the galaxy and the particles and the atoms in the universe. Voids get enlarged as the universe expands. At 8 billion years, the expansion of universe accelerates very fast. And finally, our solar system was formed at 9 billion years after the event of Big Bang. So the solar system was formed as usual with the atoms and the particles. First the sun was formed and the other planets. So the universe is growing and will be growing and becoming cold and dense forever. It will never stop. So this is how the universe which we live was formed. So in the next videos I will be explaining about the formation of stars, galaxies and our solar system in brief. If you don't want to miss those videos, make sure that you subscribe my channel. And also if you like this video, hit a like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.